my Verona. This is a Verona Raceway, and it is the day after we were just at Irwindale, and it is time to shake this car down even more. We do have headlights working this time. It also looks like this place isn't nearly as packed, so we have a lot more chance to go back and test smaller details instead of hoping that we make tons of changes and it works. So super excited. The video's gonna be straight to the point. We're gonna make some serious loud noise that people around here probably haven't heard in a long time with some rotaries, but I think we're gonna have some fun. We just made it through tech relatively quick. It helps when you actually show that you've been to a track recently, because they know that, okay, you mean business. But we're gonna go ahead, I'll suit up, Joel will get some cameras on the car, warm the car up, and let's see what first pass will do. That was one way to do it.
Come out, so you don't have a hood for this car at all?
No. Okay, she's got way more traction this time. Let's see what that was all about. That's what happens when you do a proper burnout. Of course, I turned the power down to handle doing the rolling burnout, and you saw that. So had I left it at the power level that we had last night, we would have seen some beautiful magic. Certainly it got close to lifting the front tires off the ground, but as soon as it hit, the car feels like it went into like a limp mode of some sort, and then I tried giving it gas, and it was just like, So we're gonna take a look at what's going on right now. What a weird small issue to have. So that was the car with the wastegate wide open. The wastegate somehow, when I turned the car off and turned it back on in the pits, defaulted. I don't know if it's a software, hardware bug, whatever the case is, the wastegate froze itself wide open. It wasn't a heat issue, it wasn't a performance issue. It literally was in pits doing things, and then the next run, it went wide open. So the burnout, that launch, that was all on pure motor. Just 3 rotor power, that's all you get. There was no boost whatsoever. There wasn't even 0 pounds, it was just slightly below that. So what we're trying to do is take the top off of the electronic wastegate right now, reset it to kind of the middle range, and hopefully the ECU will now let you go. Because right now the fuel tech will not let us calibrate it, which it wants to be in this range because it's way down here. So we're gonna try and push it back into this range and then see if the fuel tech will play nice and let us do this. So this is the cost of innovating and trying unique new things, is that weird bugs occasionally happen. But that was gonna be the run too. That was literally what a 3-rotor would do without boost, but you saw the car go to launch and then there was nothing to back it up. But that was actually a really impressive burnout with all that power with no, that was also, like I said, no boost. Really unfortunate turn of events. They just brought the helicopter in. Unfortunately, one of the people racing had a nasty crash, and she's actually getting life flighted out, so we hope that everything's okay with her, but that's a sad part and real part of racing. I don't know what happened, but we're having our technical issue with the E-gate, which we seem to have figured out it's a bug in my map. Unfortunate turn of events, if you guys see the news or whatever happens with that. Hopefully she's okay. So everything's kind of coming back together. The helicopter left, they life flighted her out, and we took the wastegate out, and we actually moved it into a safe range and then kind of got it back to play nice. Don't know if it's a hardware or software issue yet, but we'll figure that out more. We're gonna fire it back up and go, but my God.
Show me your working lights. Hold up.
Oh yeah, and then last night I did this. Check this out.
Street car, baby, street car.
What an unfortunate situation. There's still 2 hours left, 8:30, and they're just like, we saw them signing the tech cards in line for all the people behind us getting tech through, and it was signing them to get basically a refund or a hey, come back again. So they're shutting the track down. She wrecked 2 hours ago, like an hour and a half, 2 hours ago. So it's kind of unfortunate, yes, for us, but for everybody else here. We want to pump out these videos, and you know, human life is more important. Oh yeah, it's a Trans Am. It's really unfortunate. So like I said, is that, you know, videos don't take precedence over human life, and obviously that unfortunately happened. So you guys get to see, you know, this actually does happen at racetracks where the car's ready to go. At least you can see, if you're ever wondering what an NA 3-rotor can do at a racetrack, well, there's your answer. Anybody wondering numbers, which really, this is hilarious, because this is truly what an NA 3-rotor, when you think it's broken. I still stayed in it. I was at almost full throttle, but I was like, oh shit, we have no boost, something bad's happening. But I ran a 2.2 60 foot. I don't know what the next number is. I don't know what all the rest of the numbers are, but 9.3 eighth mile at 77 miles an hour. So if you ever want to build an NA 3-rotor, those are numbers that you could expect to get from that. I'm frustrated, I'm annoyed, we have all this driving to go and whatnot. The worst thing about it is I don't want to leave you guys with a shit video. I'm gonna, in a sense, emotionally recreate that scene from many, many years ago that you guys may not even know was my car. I'm gonna anti-lag the shit out of this thing before it goes on the trailer. Just helps expel the frustration. So you guys enjoy.